When the lights go out, what keeps you safe? Discover how the central battery system powers your path to safety during emergencies. A central battery system powers emergency lights from a central unit during outages. It's designed to ensure buildings stay lit and safe when it matters the most. During an emergency, central battery system ensures safe evacuation paths, reliable power backup, automatic activation in 10 seconds, critical coverage for fire exits, stairs, and emergency areas. In the UAE, central battery system installation must follow strict fire safety codes. Installed by civil defense approved contractors, monthly inspections and annual discharge tests, fire rated wiring and secure battery rooms, automatic fault detection and alerts. Stay compliant, stay protected. Invest in central battery systems to secure lives and property when emergencies strike.